Unless the other artists are going to get scattered, like in a massacre.
Them don't even like as Alkaline artists.
But all of them run
Alkaline fans, them don't even like Movado.
True, man.
Me I tell you, bro.
True, man.
Alkaline fans, them only like Alkaline.
This a cult.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
No, one Media Fox man up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, why may I tell you? Triple X don't know where running now. Yeah, man, you know, say Triple X run out on the comment, man. Yeah, come here expose him. You see me? So basically, see comment away, he must say, yo, you know, say you not have no raw sense. You explain what me I say, and I say you not understand. You just attack for views, dunce. Triple X, the way you talking, I think say you would send them text, yeah. Now more proper English. See me? But you are gonna say dunce, and you are gonna say me attack for views. But Triple X, the brother never asked you call two artists name. Massacre and Alkaline. You remember, you know, the way how you fiery for just say yo jump out and say Alkaline. Remember, you know say nothing after that, you know. After you're done with Alkaline conversation, you know say nothing about Massacre. We know say you and the host to own Gaza, man. You understand? But something what you're saying in the video, you really are you know, are you attack for views? Cause something what you say, the things that you know in your head say, where you say I'm madness, brother. Me I tell you that. You are look for views, dog. You see me? Cause if you did call say yo Massacre, maybe it wouldn't really rare. But you don't know Alkaline have him fans. But are the things that you are saying in the video. And to me, the way you say the things, you make it look bad for the artist fans. That's what you do. For the artist fans, you are gonna say the youth fans is not dancehall fans. See that you say no. And if you Google it, it'll say yo, prominent Jamaican dancehall and reggae artists. Some don't know where you get your argument from, but we'll go in a video and play it out again. Make them see what go on.
Shade ones like Alkaline, Massacre.
Okay, say Alkaline.
New generation, you have for that.
Say Alkaline. I don't consider Alkaline as a dancehall artist. Me personally, I consider.
They consider them to be.
And hot in dancehall who's not part.
I know what the worst thing, people. Him just said something a while ago. Him not consider Alkaline as a dancehall artist. In my first somebody me hear forward out and say something like that. You understand? Me don't know how Alkaline do Afrobeat or R&B or what. Because for you as a Gaza man, you know, fear said this, you know, brother. It show your mentality. Because I never hear somebody else say that yet. All who rate Alkaline. If say you don't see the youth as a dancehall artist, then which artist in be then? Afrobeat? R&B? Hip-hop? What kind of thing that? You try to label the artist in a different genre. You see me? Because from the youth, forward in the game, a dancehall, I'm category. They say I call him award them. So I don't know I wish other genre Alkaline I do, or way I represent. But I want to know pre this.
Of your bloodline, so to speak.
I don't even know what people call hot. Alright.
Movado, Poppy, not to mention the world boss. But Alkaline, how is he figured in all of that? Because some say he took his style and whatever from Carter. But do you see much about your family, your bloodline?
No,
is that the fact that
he's bloodline. He's stealing Cartel style. It still doesn't make him a part of our family.
Okay.
But
so we don't know what that family they mean. That part of dancehall thing there. Where Bounty call out the artists, them endorse them, all of them look a thing there, you see me? Which you don't know, Cartel, Popcorn. Cause you know say from Cartel to Popcorn, you see me? Popcorn for call something the grandfather and you know a music business. That are in a feed them era. Alkaline never forward in that. You see me? That a feed them look a dancehall space how it grow. You see me? But when me hear what Triple X say, it made me think about a video when him say yo, him not consider Alkaline as a dancehall artist. And it remember me with the Shaggy and Champal thing. You understand me? We hear the guys man them say yo, Sean Paul and a dancehall artist, him not do the. These are the things them what them say. You see me? I'm have to just shake my head because them man maybe now get up every day and the cartel thing and all of them little thing there, you see me? So I say, oh, okay. Now me understand. You see me?
Everybody have influence in music. Just like when I came out, I have influence of Shabba and Butcher, and you could hear it in my music. But it never really made me a thief them style. It was just they are the dominant one in my days coming up, and that's what you're listening to. And you never intend to pattern it, but that's what playing and that's what giving you the vibe.
Okay.
So emulation gonna be there. Or imitation, anything you want to call it, but some people don't want to admit that I heard music and like it, then make it seem like I dream and just come up with music, me alone.
I alternative.
Okay.
Me consider Alkaline, to me, Alkaline have a dimension of his own. Alkaline fans are not dancehall fans.
So like a skilly bang.
Alkaline fans are not dancehall fans.
Agreed.
Yo, a two Gaza man this, you know. May I tell you, you know, a really two Gaza man this. Him say him agree. Him no. Then wait there. Who? Wait there. Alkaline fan is who then? Afrobeats or me want to know. Cause since you say me dance, you know, Triple X, you not even realize, brother, what you had just say sound like a you dance. You understand? Cause where Alkaline fans start from? That more and more. You tell me. Cause you know state where him fans them far from. Afrobeat, reggaeton, where film fans far from. And the brother just said Skilly Bang a while ago. Yo, dog, we are telling people. So wait there, Skilly Bang fan them on a dancehall. Yo, dog, sometimes I tell you that, bro, them money make some madness in a bro. You see me? I call somebody dud, so I don't not even know when I say that. But for sure, you say have views. But bro, you literally do this to views, bro. You literally do this to views, brother. Cause when you talk, a bag of trash you talk this, dog. You see me? A bag of trash you talk this. You see it? So, me don't know what you try to say. This cause that no make no sense, bro. No sense. And you say the first thing, you say Alkaline. You know, say Alkaline as a dancehall artist. Then you double down back now and say Alkaline fans them and a dancehall fans. You shot yourself this, brother. I tell you, and the brother we are host you. We know he's a Gaza man that. You see me? And him say, yo, a true. You see me? It wanna we interview each other cause boy, you know that you say he's a man of intelligence and them little thing there, brother, but I don't know, I guess you that do this. You are do this for views. You see me? You remember say Uno I do the video, you know. You see me? And we just expose the madness where you attack. You see? That not make no sense, bro. You don't have to call nobody dunce. Cause what you just say, a bag of dunce this you just say a while ago, fam. You see it?
Alkaline fans are Alkaline fans.
Okay.
Me I tell you this straight, bro. Nobody will rate Alkaline, don't rate nobody else. Anybody will rate Alkaline.
But the thing is that why people rate why Alkaline fans them rate him? You feel like say them just rate Alkaline, like just take away the music from Alkaline. Would he have fans today? He wouldn't have no fans. So at the youth music, you see me? At the youth music, you are say Alkaline fan and a dancehall fans. Alkaline fans is Alkaline fans. Me not understand that, brother. At the end of the day, Alkaline now show him fan base no bag personal life and him woman or whatsoever, bro. And music Alkaline I put out there, you know. Nobody not to see Alkaline. Them not even to see me in the streets like that. If you say, yo, you hardly can find five somebody where they say they ever say Alkaline in a one car. You understand? So at the end of the day, music, the dancehall music him fans grew up with. You see me? So I don't know where you try to say that. And first of all, if Alkaline fans are not dancehall fans, that means a cartel fans are not dancehall fans. That means a massacre fans are not dancehall fans. You see me? Yeah, you have to make it all general then. Okay, now make no sense, fam.
Alkaline alone. There is no other artist. Anybody will say Vendetta, there is no other artist apart from Alkaline.
And if the other artists are going to get started like in a massacre.
Them don't even like Alkaline artists. Alkaline fans, them don't even like Movada.
True, man.
Me I tell you, bro.
Yo, you're so live funny people. Me I try to show you say that man yeah, a damage control him I do. Me I tell you that. And for sure you say the youth call two artists and say you want to go Massacre and Alkaline. You notice him start to say some madness. Remember, you know, him say nothing about massacre, you know. I just Alkaline. Is what I try to say. So, this are the thing now. You, I say all the way, I say, brother. And you know a madness you attack. And you are going to say people are look views. And you are look views, brother. Attention you are look. You see me? Attention you are look fam. You see it? Because, remember, you look at Alka thing I go on right now. You see it? Maybe a long time you want to do it too. You see me? Yeah. Because you maybe I'll plan for this. I tell you. Because the youth ask you about massacre and Alkaline. When you done Alkaline, you know say nothing about massacre, you know. Alkaline. And you just go say, Alkaline, them not even rate Movado. You see no vendetta people out here, a bag of the vendetta people out here this Movado. Oh, you fi say, Alkaline fan them not rate Movado, when Movado and Alkaline usually so. See? Right now, me have a lot of proof right now. Me can tell you. I see Gaza people are this up Movado. Although Movado go do Gaza and Gully thing with cartel right now. You see me? Vendetta people them now out here this up Movado. But me sure about the Gaza people them. I know if one of Gaza do it, but me sure of some. You understand? But me don't know where you try. Remember say usually have a thing say yo, Gully vendetta thing. You see me? So whenever you bono, Gully Gaza thing. You see me? So I couldn't vendetta people them not rate Movado. You see it? So I don't know where you get the argument there from. I feel like you try story up something right here so now. You see it? Cause you know a bag of speculation are going on in media right now. So yeah, try if you make it look like say yo the vendetta people them not to rate nobody. That you do, you know. You see me, you make it vendetta fans them look away. You understand? That's your intention, yeah, so. You see me? Cause look, you know, when you found out and say Alkaline, you don't see him as a dancehall artist. See me? That means say, you try take him out of the culture. So basically, you try say, you might go against the dancehall thing. Then you go double down and you go say, Alkaline fans is not dancehall fans. So when you say that now, you make it feel like say you're vendetta people, them not listen to other people's music. Then you go double down again and say, yo, the vendetta people them not rate Movado. Damage control you do this, bro. You see me, I'm madness you say this. You see it, me never hear nobody talk about one artist where I do one genre and say you don't consider. You see, you say something, say yo, you know see him as a dancehall artist. But one of the worst thing you gonna say, brother, I say him fans them are not dancehall fans. You understand? So what you try to do, you try to label the fans as like them not respect dancehall. That you try to say. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
True, man.
Alkaline fans them only like Alkaline.
These are called similar to Gaza still. Gaza fan them listen to
Okay, man say Alkaline is not.
You see it? The brother just say a while ago, you know. Similar to Gaza fan. But Gaza will listen to that music. You know what the funniest thing? I'm going to show you an example. Remember when Keznam they win the Grammy? And all the Gaza people them go on, some of them, and then bring down the youth. I say, yo, nobody don't know him album. Or him get this. From Vice Cartel Fado from prison. Wanna bring down your whole like artist them. You understand? Whole like artist them. Me remember when me see some Gaza man. I'm say, yo, I want dancehall in a dog. You see me? Everybody I represent. The man them say, no one dancehall over here, so have Vice Cartel them say. You understand? I'ma feel like that statement there what you make, and a vendetta people them that. Cause you know see vendetta people them out here I bring down no bag of artists and them. Yeah man. You know see vendetta people them I bring down no bag of artists. Hear the Gaza people them. I bring down no 5 artists. The Grammy thing alone tell you how them deal with Keznamdi. Me I tell you that. Remember, Cartel found out them say yo, where's a dancehall artists them last. Man them bring down everybody. So then deal with Bounty or then deal with Beanie man. Everybody where them can find to prop up Cartel them do it. So me don't know where you try say fam. You see me? Alkaline a keep in a Barclays, him a say you can't sell it out. Him ticket them cheap. This and that cartel ticket, bam, bam, bam. You understand? We see it. You see me? So, them go on like, you go on like say, vendetta people them listen only Alkaline alone. You try paint a bad picture. And that you try do, you know. You understand? Because all the way you say, fall in line too. You just want to make Alkaline and him fans them look away. You see me? And I true your Gaza man make you attack so. See? And true people beat you now. But the little clip, you make a second video go up on your live and attack and then change up your mouth. You understand? Because you know what you do. But you get your attention. You see me? You get your views. At the end of the day, you know, we just react to the madness where you say. Because it now make no sense.
Dancehall artist, Alkaline is an artist in himself. He create his own genre of music. If you really actually look on it from the inception of Alkaline, from him, but still now, the entire dance is like the antichrist of dancehall. Dancehall has always been against the man from then up until now. And the man find him own a lane and build him own a fame. So you cannot categorize that man as a dancehall artist. Anybody will say Alkaline is...
Brother, yo, you know. So true dancehall against... What do you mean by dancehall against the man? Who is dancehall? I don't understand that. What do you mean by dancehall is against him? You mean this? Remember, you know, bro, dancehall is a genre, right, bro? You understand? So true dancehall against him means you know see him as a dancehall artist. That's how you try to say. Him create a own genre for himself. Brother, you say me dance, but you done, sir. Me I tell you that, brother. What you say now, you just a contradict yourself, so. Nah, make no sense, fam. You see me? It nah make no sense. But me see what you try though, bro. I see what you try though. You better you fall out and say, yo, the fight with the youth get. But what you say, brother, about against dancehall, like, bro, they say some system, or you call some name. You see me? Because dancehall is a genre. You see me? It's a culture that. You see me? You just have people who contribute, but they call out the people who contribute to dancehall. You see me? Yeah, bro.
A dancehall artist, now look on the psychology. Zin?
True, I agree with you. I agree with you. Alright, and final question now. 5.
Why? I saw it go. Notice you never say nothing about Massacre still. I think you did a go call Massacre in the little when you talk about Alka, but that segment the way you do. I be a madness, bro. Be a madness and you contradict yourself like. You see me? I know why you're coming still, because you know I expose you. You see it? Because what you say now make no sense, dog. You see me? Yeah, bro. Sometimes when I make certain thought, bro, you better leave it out and say you want some views. You see me? Because we know say if the youth call Massacre and Alkaline, see, you're not going to call out Massacre and say nothing. You're going to call out Alkaline because you know him film fan base. Huge. You see me? And you know if vendetta them stay already. You see me? But you say you're intellect man and them look at thing there, you make them madness up on internet, bro. You see me? Yeah, dog. You better this me understand, but the done thing would have fallen in your category still. You see me? Because when you go say Alkaline fans and not dancehall fans, you have to forward out and tell me who are Alkaline fans, you know. That me I try to say, the brother. Because you are tell me, say no. So you are try to say, before Alkaline, when fans them did they? You tell me say fans them before Alkaline turn an artist. Alkaline, they have the fans that wait for him for bus or something. Which fans? That me I try to say. Cause to me, the whole little piece of clip where you do, bro, is just for label the vendetta people them in a bad way. I saw me see it. You see me? But I saw it go, brother. You see me? So it go, bro. You get beaten same way with your statement them where you make. Cause madness that, dog. And the mother other thing, brother, it didn't even make no sense. Cause we are just say, you know a lie you tell. Vendetta people not rate mother. Really, dog. Better you say some of my Gaza people in the rate mother. Remember, so the rival did this, so you know. You see me? And them still are not rate mother. Some of them might say, yo, click the cartel if you book him, you know. Yo, dog, man, hopeless, dog. Yo, this and that. You understand? Me see all cartel vlogger him forward out. Man, I say, yo, I want to Sunfest ticket them. Yo, from over there, and it should look like a ticket now, sell. That's shit, man. I say, watch ya. The man ain't rate Vada, dog. You see me? All when Cartel and Vada link, they still not rate Vada. You see me? So, where you say this with the Vada thing, madness, brother. A statement they shouldn't make. You see it? Yeah, man, I feel like you want to store up something there, so. You see me? But I just one of them things about people. Big up on yourself, you know, I don't know. One media facts. Yeah, man. That is it.